Everyone. Hello everyone, very good evening. Very good evening, people. I want all of you to switch on your camera. You. So let me see, only 4 of you have joined. Just give me 1 second, let me verify who is missing. Dana, Mariam. Okay, so we shall start. As people join in, they will join in, okay? Yes.
Hello.
People, please do mute. Nikita, mute. Yes. Okay. So I request Jessica and Srinidhi to switch on your cameras so that I can see you people. Okay. So how are you all doing? Srinidhi, switch on your camera. How are you all doing? Oh, 1 second.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Great, great, great. So you can unmute and you can reply, okay? You can unmute, reply, then mute it again so that there is no disturbance. Okay? So, right. Yes. So today's session will be an interactive one. Okay, and moreover, I'm going to give you the entire schedule for the month of May in today's session, and we are going to start a little of the chapter which is scheduled for today. Is that okay with you people? And I think there are few absentees also. So if you're absent, I said I'll provide you recording option, but I suggest you to attend the live class because the experience would be different here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Great, great, Srinidhi. So can I hear from each one of you? Since it's the first day of class, I don't get time every day. So today, I just want to hear, Srinidhi, from where are you?
Centenary Colony.
St. Mary's?
Centenary Colony.
Okay, where is it?
Pedapelli.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. And Jessica?
Hyderabad, ma'am.
Hyderabad. Great. Sridhanesh? Sridhanesh, I know you. I know you. Nikita? Nikita, unmute.
Anaparti.
Okay, great, beta. Chalo then. So I hope you all know me and we have a rapport. Okay, so because in online class that is more important because we are not offline sitting with each other. But anytime, okay, anytime you can unmute and ask me a question. Okay. But the basic rule is when I'm teaching, you just listen, and after I finish the concept, you please ask the question. Is it clear? Okay, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So I just want to start giving you the schedule first so that you will know what we are going to do, okay, in the upcoming sessions. So firstly, in this month of May, give me a second. Okay. In this month, we are going to complete 3 chapters. Okay. So firstly, today we are going to start sets chapter. I'm starting with the easiest chapter so that you gain a little confidence and feel that 10th max is easy for you. Okay. So we are starting with this chapter. It will take hardly 1 week for us. Okay. So this week full we are going to complete sets. After that, from 8th May, we are going to start with polynomials. See, polynomials, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations. All these are connected chapters. So all these 3 chapters we are going to do together. Understood? So polynomials, pair of linear equations, and quadratic equations. These are all connected. They have a lot of interconnection links. So it's easy if you learn them together. So these 3 we are going to do together. Okay. So first polynomial, and then as I told you, the next chapter would be definitely pair of linear equations. So that would be from 18th May, we are going to start the 4th chapter, pair of linear equation. And that's it. So we will finish all these 3 chapters by 27th. So 27th, you'll have a little recap. Okay. And then 29, 30, and 31st. You will have 3 tests, each test for each chapter. Okay. So 29th, you may have a test on sets. And 30th, you will have test on poly. And then here you'll have test on linear equation. So that's the plan for the month of May. Is it clear, beta? Okay. Clear? So accordingly, I just want you all to prepare. Okay. And I want you all to maintain a notes also so that, it will be easy for you to refer. Understood? So anything from your side? This is what I planned for you. Anything from your side? Why so much of silence? Acha, if you don't feel comfortable talking right now, you can actually share your inputs in the chat also. Okay. If you are feeling a little uncomfortable, since it's the first class, I completely understand. You can share me in the chat as well. Am I getting any inputs? What happened? Yes, people, what's the issue? Did I mute you all? Are you able to unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So why am I not hearing any inputs from you? So I just asked, is this okay with you? Or do you need anything extra? Any suggestions from your side? Please let me know.
I think, ma'am, it's okay.
This is okay? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
within 5 months, better we are going to complete the entire syllabus as I told you. So on an average, 3 chapters every month. But there are little difficult chapters like trigonometry and all, which takes little time. So there we may have 2 or 2.5 chapters in a month. Okay. So these will be 3 chapters in a month. Okay. So shall we start now? Kundana joined late. Yes, Nikita? Chalo. So let's begin the session then. So are you all ready with your pen and book? Yes, I just want you all to
Yes,
make notes. So you'll have surprise test also in between wherever I feel required. Okay? So you should be ready for everything. Jessica is showing me the book. Cool. Chalo, let's start then. So today I'm basically going to explain you all the concepts. So this session is very important. As you see, 1 second, Mariam has joined. Okay. So as you see all the concepts, so I would suggest you to go through your textbook today, through all the exercises, and see if you are able to at least identify the question, if you are at least able to, do it by yourself. Acha, by this, I just thought of asking you one more question. Just let me know. In some schools, they have already started the 10th class. So let me know, have you completed this chapter in your school?
Yes, ma'am. We have completed chapter 2 and chapter
Chapter 1 and
2.
2. Great, great, great. Then that will be super easy for you. Anyone else?
No.
No? Srinidhi, no? Jessica and Nikita?
We've
No, ma'am.
completed 2 chapters, ma'am.
2 chapters, first and second?
Yes.
Okay. So this would be easy then. I think Kundana should have completed, right?
Yes.
Great. Okay then. Chalo. So then this would be a revision for you. Okay. So no problem. Yes. So basically, since some of you have already completed, let me just ask you a question. What is set? What do you call? Whom do you call as a set?
A set is a number of elements in a flower bracket.
Okay. Great. Any other input?
The well-defined objects are called sets, which we write in
Very
the
good.
flower brackets.
Very good. Very good. So in simple, if I have to say, collection of all the similar objects is a set. Okay. And how do you represent it? You represent it in flower brackets. Okay. As simple as that. Now, flower brackets is not the part of the definition of set. It is simply collection of a well-defined objects, as you said. Now, when I say well-defined, it means they should have some similar properties. For example, I say here, I have 6 people on the screen. So I can say these 6 people can form a set. So you all have a common property. You all are studying class 10, 23, 24 batch. You all have joined the online class. So you have some similar properties. So you all come under as a set. Got my point? Yes. So set is basically collection of objects, and in mathematical language you have so many numbers which have common properties. So accordingly we will define a set. Okay. For example, if I want to write the set of natural numbers, can you tell me what are natural numbers? Starting with
It
very
starts
basic.
from 1.
Very good. So natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. So all these are natural numbers. So I can call this is a set of natural numbers. And how did I represent here? If you see what I have written here, you see that there is a flower bracket opening, there is a flower bracket closing brace and opening brace. Okay, what do you call it? Closing brace and opening brace. Okay, this is closing, this is the opening brace. In between you have something. Okay, and I'm separating each of this with a comma. As you can see here, each of it is separated with a comma. So each of it, now what is this each of it which I am calling? These are called elements. Did you get my point? So those are called elements. In simple, if I have to say now, if I take the set of 2023 class 10 batch, so let me write Jessica, Srinidhi, Kundana, Nikita, and Ganesh. So as you see here, these are a set of people who have a common property. And all these people are represented within a open brace and a closing brace. And each of them are separated by a comma. Can you see? And each of them are called elements of this particular set. Is it clear till here? Yes? So you can just at least show me this. Okay, so that I can understand it's clear for you. Right. And also, a set is represented by a capital letter. For example, let me say this is online class. So let me say represented by letter O. Since this is natural number, I represent it by letter N. If it was whole number, you represent with letter W as per our convenience. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the set of whole numbers. Till here is it clear? Set of prime numbers you can write. Okay. So this way you can write any set which has a common property. Understood? Set of all batsmen belonging to Chennai Super Kings forms a set. Okay. So is this basic clear? Yes. Great. So now the same set I can write it as, now the set of prime numbers, I'm going to write it as P equals to element X, this symbol is nothing but such that, you read it as such that X belongs to prime number. Okay. Instead of listing out the prime numbers, here I wrote, in flower bracket, I wrote X such that X belongs to prime number. Now, what do you understand by this, Srinidhi? I said P is a set containing elements X such that this X is belonging to prime number. What do you understand? This set P has elements and the element should belong to what? Prime numbers. Got the point? So you just list out all the prime numbers. Got it? So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Okay. So here I wrote the same set of prime numbers in two different ways. Are you able to see? One way is I just gave a condition here. Okay. The first way is I just gave a condition here. And in the second way, I did not give any condition. Okay. Here I gave a condition and I asked Srinidhi, can you list out the elements? Understood. Whereas the second way, I did not give any condition. I just listed out the elements. So the elements are listed out. So this model is called roster form. Okay. This is called roster form. Whereas here, where I gave a condition and I asked you to frame the elements. So this form is called set builder form. Understood? There are two forms to represent a set. One is roster form, the other is set builder form. In roster form, elements are directly given to you. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Elements are there. Okay. Whereas in set builder form, there are no elements directly given. You have to build the set. And how will you build the set? Using the condition given. Okay. Here they gave me the condition that it should be a prime number. So using that condition, I am building my set. Okay, I have to build my set. Once I build the set, it will be a roster form. Before I build, it is a condition given that is called set builder form. Is this clear till here? Yes. Now will you be able to answer? And also, I'll give you two more important terminology, then we shall proceed to the next topic. So, infinite sets and finite sets. What is the meaning of infinite?
Unlimited.
Very good. Unlimited. Okay. So when I say infinite, it is unlimited, which means in this set, for example, if I take the set natural number, okay, if I take set of n, okay, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on, it is unlimited. So this is called infinite set, which means you cannot list out the elements. The number of elements are unlimited. You just write dot, 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 and so on. Okay. Whereas finite set means the elements are limited. Okay. For example, if I take a set 1, 2, 3, 4, here the elements are limited. Okay. There is no and so on. Can you see, is there any and so on after 4? Is it continuing? It is stopping at 4. This is called finite set. Okay. So in simple, I can say this is a limited set where the elements are limited. And here this is unlimited set. The elements are unlimited here in this case. Understood? Yes. So going back to this screen, can you just identify and say which is a limited set or a finite set and which is an infinite set? Just one example. Which is infinite, which is finite.
P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, etc.
Okay.
Infinite.
Very good. Finite? Finite set, are you able to find here on the screen?
Set of online
No.
students.
Very good. The set of online students you see? See the set of online students, all your names. Are they infinite? Is there a limit to the number or unlimited?
Limit.
This set. There's a limit. Yes, great. So there's a limit to the number. I did not write and so on. Right? There's a limit to it. So this is a limited set. Okay, this is a limited set, or let me write it as finite set. Whereas all these sets which you are seeing, it is and so on, which means the number of elements are unlimited. So this you call it as infinite set. Is it clear till here? Yes? Okay. Now next question. I just want you all to count the number of elements. You understood what is the element, right? So I just want you all to count the number of elements in this finite set. Please count and let me know how many are you getting? Number of elements in this finite set. 5?
5.
Great, great, great. Very good. So now please count and tell me how many elements are you getting in the set W, which we defined as infinite.
We can't define them.
Very good. So you cannot count it actually because it is infinite. So you cannot actually count the elements. So let me introduce another term called cardinal number. You please write it down. So I'm not going by the order given in the textbook. So whichever concepts are linked, I'm taking all of them together. Okay. So you please note it down. So cardinal number is nothing but the number of elements. Just now you counted and told me some number, isn't it? That is nothing but cardinal number. Okay. Suppose if I ask you to find the cardinal number of, now I just asked you find the number of elements. Now instead of asking you find the number of elements, now I'll change the question. Okay. Now I'll say, please find the cardinal number of the set O. Srinidhi, find the cardinal number of the set O. I'm receiving answers only from Jessica and Sridhanesh. Why not? Why not from the others? Yes. So I want everyone to be active. Understood? Yes, Nikita?
5, ma'am.
5. Great, great. So I just need response from your side as well. Otherwise, I don't understand whether you understood or not. Okay? And you'll also have online punishments if you do this. Okay, I want you all to be active, happy, only then you can learn better. Okay, ఏదో ఇట్లా విసిపోయి కూర్చోవద్దు. హ్యాపీగా ఉండండి, యాక్టివ్గా ఉండండి, అప్పుడే చదవగలుగుతారు. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఐఎమ్ లుకింగ్ ఎట్ యువర్ ఫేసెస్. ఎందుకు అంత డల్? ఓకే, కుందనా, యూ కెన్ స్మైల్. ఎస్, గ్రేట్. యాక్చువల్లీ కుందనా, what is this icon I'm seeing here?
Ma'am?
Did you join your audio? Yes, I think yes. Yes, I'm able to hear now. Great. Okay. So now cardinal number is nothing but simply the number of elements. So you people tell me, in which case are you able to find the number of elements? Just now we have seen. Which case are you able to find number of elements?
Infinite set.
Very good. Only in the case of infinite.
Finite.
Okay, infinite. Okay. So Dhanesh says finite set low. Okay. In finite sets, we are able to find the number of elements. So always remember, people, cardinal number is only for finite sets because you can find the number of elements only in finite sets. Okay. Whereas for infinite sets, you are not able to find the number of elements. So then there is no cardinal number also. Okay. Now let me tell you how do you represent this cardinal number. Now we have taken the set O online class where we have Jessica, Srinidhi, Nikita, Kundana, Sridhanesh, and I think Mariam. Where are others? Yes, Mariam, are you here? Okay, so I'm just closing this set. So let's see. So now this is a set and this is limited set. Okay, the elements are limited. Now cardinal number you represent it by, I told it is nothing but number of elements. So number represented by n, number of which Which set? Say set O. So this is how you represent the cardinal number. You will write n of O, where O is the name of the set. Okay, this means that number of elements. This means number of elements of set O is how much? Now you count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, right? Got my point? Okay. Whereas for infinite sets, you cannot find the cardinal number. Very important short type question. Okay, short or a part B. Clear? So I hope till here all the concepts are clear. So if this is clear, let's do some practice. Today is only introduction of sets. So tomorrow you'll have exercise 2.1. Then again 3rd May you'll have introduction and exercise 2.2. Then 4th May also exercise 2.2. 5th May exercise 2.3 and 6th May exercise 2.4 and final revision. Okay. So the concepts I'm trying to give you as much as possible. Clear? So today the session will be little short, and let me also tell you people one more thing I just want to tell you. Today's session will be short because I didn't know Zoom meeting is only for 40 minutes. So it was 45 minutes earlier. So let's try and Google Meet otherwise. Okay, so I will let you know the information tomorrow. Okay, I'll just check it out various options and I'll let you know. Today it will be only 40 minutes. If in case, if I'm not able to complete the syllabus as per the schedule, now I gave you a schedule already, isn't it? So if I'm not able to complete this as per the schedule, we will have an extended class on Sunday. Is that clear? Okay, so it depends on the schedule. So you please be ready to learn. Even if it is a Sunday, you should be here. If in case it is not completed, if it is completed, you can feel free. Okay, so you'll have Sunday holiday. Clear? Okay, so shall we proceed to the next concept? So how much time we have? Yes, if in case the meeting ends, don't worry. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Clear? Yes, so I hope I gave you all the details. Chalo. So any more doubts from your side? How is the class till now? Is it okay for you? Are you able to understand? Sridhar
ma'am.
says yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikita? Nikita said yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who said yes now? Okay, Nikita said yes.
Ma'am.
Srinidhi, yes. Yes, Jessica, Kundana.
Yes, ma'am.
There are limited students in the class, so I can easily pick you out. Mariam? Mariam, I need your presence here. Otherwise, I'll not understand whether you're following me or not. Okay, great. So with this, we have completed all the concepts related to sets chapter. I did not touch operations of sets. Operations of sets I will do when I'm doing exercise 2.3. So before that, I'll do. Okay, as of now, just the general information, classification of sets, representation of sets is done. Now let me give you a small practice on. Yes. So I told you there are two more models. This is one model. Okay, sets are classified as limited and unlimited, isn't it? So, or finite and infinite. Also, we have learned that sets are classified as roster form and set builder form. So today, if you open your textbooks, those who have completed in your schools, it would be easy for you. For the others who did not complete in your schools, just open your textbooks and see. Okay, just go through whatever I am teaching today. Okay, so roster and set builder. Okay, so now in roster form, I told you that the elements are listed. I'm taking a simple set of natural numbers. The elements are listed. Okay, you can see the elements. Whereas in set builder form, what did I tell you? There will be a condition and you should build the element, isn't it? So what is the condition? What are these natural numbers? So I say this set n contains, okay, always within flower brace, open the brace, write x. What is this? X is any variable. X is any variable which is representing the elements of this particular set. అర్థమవుతుంది x అంటే ఏంటో? అది ఒక వేరియబుల్. అదేం చెప్తుంది? ఈ సెట్ లో ఏం ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయో మీకు చెప్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఏం ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి? సచ్ దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ x? దిస్ x should belong to natural number. Okay, clear? So now let us make it little complicated now. This was super easy, isn't it? Everyone understood this, how to write the condition? So they will ask you in the exam, convert roster to set builder and set builder to roster. So if they give you roster form, you should be able to write set builder. If they give you set builder, you should be able to write roster. So be prepared for both of them. Okay, so little practice is needed here. Exercise 2.1 is completely regarding this. Okay, so suppose if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, only 1, 2, 3, 4, then I will write N is a set containing elements X such that X belongs to natural number only. See, it is starting from 1, so it belongs to natural number. All 1, 2, 3, 4 you are seeing here belongs to natural number. Yes, you learned in class 6. Also, there is one more condition. Can you tell me what is this?
Where x is less than 5.
Amazing. X is less than 5. Okay, it is stopping at 4. So you should write less than 5. Now there is no rule that you should write only less than 5. You can also write it as X is less than or equal to 4. This is also correct. Understood? What does this mean? X should be less than 4 or X should be equal to 4. That means X can be equal to 4 also. See here 4 is also there in the set. But it cannot be greater than 4. This condition says it cannot be greater than 4. This is wrong. Okay. So less than 4 you can take all the elements, and also equal to 4 is also given. So 4 also can be included. So either here in this last step, in this case you can take X less than 5, or this condition also, no problem at all. Okay, clear everyone? So tomorrow I'll give you first practice questions on this. You will give me the answers, only then we will go to the next topic. Okay. Now tell me, I'm writing this. I want condition from you for the set builder form. Condition for you for the set builder form.
X such that x belongs to w and x less than 5.
Very good. So what did you understand from here? See, X belongs to whole numbers because the numbers are now starting from 0. Okay, so 0 means it is not natural. It has to start from whole numbers. That is the first point. The second point, it is ending at 4. Okay, you should see the start and the end. So starting from 0, which means it is whole number. So one condition is done. But see the second condition, it is ending at 4, which means when will it end at 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is less than 5 only, it will end at 4, isn't it? So the condition is you can write less than 5. I'm so sorry. Less than 5 means it will end at 4. Okay. So this is the condition you are going to write. Is it clear, people? Yes. So today I'm going to give you one homework. I'm giving you set builder form. P is a set containing elements X such that X belongs to prime number. Okay, X belongs to prime number and X is also a even number. Tell me what is the answer here. Quickly you can tell. Read the condition. X is prime number
The answer is
and
2.
yes.
The
Jessica?
answer is 2.
Amazing. It is only 2. So there are two conditions. See here. So it's like a puzzle for you. Okay. So see, X belongs to prime number. Okay. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And X is even number. You already know that 2 is the only even prime number. There is no other prime number which is even. All others are odd. So only 2 comes here. Okay. And this type of set is called singleton set. What is it called? Singleton set, because you have a single element in this. Okay, see, open brace, closing brace, and you have one single element. Okay, if there is a single element like this, it is called singleton. Other examples of singleton I can give you is 1, 5, 7. So all these are called singleton sets because those sets have only one element in it. Now my question. Ready for the next question? See here. Is this a singleton set?
Yes.
Yes, great. This is also a singleton set because 0 is also an element. And how many elements are there? Only one. Single element, singleton set. Okay? If 0 is there also, it is called singleton set. Now the next question. Is this a singleton set?
No, ma'am.
No. So there is nothing here. Okay? Asal element ledu, em ledu ikkada. Understood? So when there is nothing here, this is called null set. Emi ledu akkada, nothing. Okay, there is nothing there. So it is called null set. Understood? Null set, or you can also call it as empty set. Is it clear? It is called null set. Nothing is there inside. See, it is called null set or empty set. If there is single element, it is called singleton set. And null set you can represent using this letter phi. This is a Greek letter. You see how did I write phi? One circle with a slash. This is called phi. Circle with a slash. So null set you usually represent with this phi symbol. Okay? Is this class clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So let me give you one DIY question. Do it yourself question. So write a set W containing elements x such that x belongs to integer and x is less than 5 and x is greater than -2. Okay, write this set. Note it down. So you will write the roster form. Okay, you will write roster form of this set. ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ఇచ్చాను అంటే ఏంటిది? కండిషన్ ఇచ్చారంటే సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్. సో సెట్ బిల్డర్ ని రోస్టర్ ఫామ్ గా రాయండి. And now I'll give you a roster form. Write the set builder form. Roster form I'll give you. Write the set builder form of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the two questions. Please note it down. And today we will end the session here itself. I just want you all to be happy and let me know if there is any feedback which you want to share me. If not in public, you can text me on the WhatsApp. Okay? So I just want to get all the feedbacks from all 7 of you because Mariam is also in the session. I'm not getting input from you. So please text me in the WhatsApp and let me know your feedbacks. Okay? So I'll see you all for today. Take care, people. Tomorrow, same timing. Let's have a little extended class tomorrow. Okay? Did you all note it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo then. Bye-bye, people. Take care. Tomorrow, I want the answers for this. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye. Take care.